Children, it's been so long we haven't went out. So let's go out for some shopping. What do you say? Okay, ready? So you can wear your mask and get ready. We are going to go to some place for shopping. Do you want to know which place we are going to go? That's a secret. Okay, so come on, let's hop into the bus and visit some place and do some shopping. So children, we have reached our supermarket. Are you excited to do shopping with Aneri ma'am? Yes. So come on, let's go in. First, we are going to sanitize our hand. Now, they'll do our temperature check. Come on. Thank you. Okay, so what do we need first? We need a trolley. So here is my trolley, and now we are going to do some amazing shopping. Alright, come on, let's go in. Don't forget to walk in line, okay? Just follow Aneri ma'am. Come on, let's go in. So children, we are going to do some grocery shopping today, okay? But while we are shopping, we have to remember the food pyramid. So we will make some healthy choice and do some grocery shopping. Let's see what is there. Oh wow! I can see so many different type of rice here. Children, do you remember? Rice comes in GoFood. And what do we have here? Oh wow, these are wheat. Yes, they form the part of GoFood and we get carbohydrates from it. What is this? Oh, these are lentils. See, there are so many different type of lentils available here. And this is Rajma. Yes, pulses. So we have different type of lentils and pulses here. So they are so colorful, isn't it? Okay, let's see what do we have here. We have moong, and these are groundnut and chickpea, chana. There are so many different type of lentils and pulses available here. So children, these grains, pulses and lentils form an important part of our meal and we should eat them more according to food pyramid. So let's buy some packed lentils over here. GoFood, and don't forget what we get from GoFood. We get carbohydrates, and GoFood are energy giving food. That's right. Come on, let's see what else do we have here. So children, we are at the vegetable counter now. Let's see what all vegetables are there. And children, you remember vegetables are the form of glow food. Yes, they are the part of glow food. Glow food are also known as protective food. So we should always consume more of vegetables every day. And there are so many type of vegetables. Underground vegetables, leafy vegetables, juicy vegetables. Let's see what all we have here. Come on. Oh wow, I can see some fresh cauliflower, cabbage, maize. Oh wow, and some orange colorful carrot. Cucumber is there. And the underground vegetable, this is beetroot. Wow, lovely. Let's see what's there in the next counter. See, there are so many green vegetables here. Ladyfinger is there, bitter gourd, French beans, and lovely fresh capsicum. And what do we have here? Oh yes, that's Buttergourd. Alright, let's see what else do we have. Here we have some underground vegetables. Garlic, potatoes. And here are some onions, pumpkin and elephant foot. And let's move to some juicy vegetables. Oh wow, some yummy red tomatoes and chili, ginger. Look, these are leafy vegetables. Yes, this is coriander. And what do we have here? Spinach, healthy and yummy. And what are these leaves? Correct, these are mint leaves. Wow, very nice. And see, what is this? Chili and lemon. Yummy! Let's see what we can buy from this. Now let's take some of them in our cart. Now I want to buy some fresh tomatoes. Come on. Okay, time for some leafy vegetable, and I would like to take spinach. That's all. Let's put it into our cart. So children, now we are at fruit counter, okay? And you know what? Fruits are equally important like vegetables. Fruit also form the part of Grow Foods. They provide us with nutrients and minerals and vitamins too. Okay, so let's see what all fruits are available here, and you tell me which one to be put in the cart. Okay, so we have coconut here and pineapple. Oh, you want me to take pineapple? Okay, let's take one pineapple and put it in our cart. Come on, let's see what else is there. Oh wow, see we have some fresh oranges here. And oh wow, plum. Yummy red plum. Let's take this. Okay, very nice. Let's see what is there. Pomegranate are here. Apple. Yes, and you only told me an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So let's buy some apples too, okay? Okay, let's see what else is here. Oh wow, kiwi. Kiwi are also very healthy. So we are going to take this, okay? And then we are going to do some sharing. We have pear here and bananas. Okay, so fruit should be eaten every day. That's why we have taken the fruits as well in our cart. Okay, children, look here. There are some legumes, baby corn. These are cherry tomatoes, and we have some frozen vegetables too. Okay, but now we are going to take some milk products. You remember, milk products are the part of Grow Food. Yes, and when we eat Grow Food in our daily meal, we become stronger and taller. Correct. Let's buy some milk and milk products. So what is there? Wow, I can see butter, cheese, and milk is there. So children, I'm going to take one milk packet, okay, because every day we have to drink at least one glass of milk, right? And cheese slice, yummy. Okay, and even butter is healthy. So let's take one packet of butter. And you know, paneer is full of proteins. So paneer too we are going to take, okay? So let me find where is paneer. Okay, alright, so we have taken paneer and oh wow, curd. So we are going to take curd, and you know what? Aneri ma'am will prepare buttermilk for you from this curd, okay? So this is very yummy and very healthy. And don't forget, milk and milk products are Grow Food. They help us to become taller and stronger. So children, let's look at our cart, what all we have shopped, okay? See, what do we have? We have some Grow Food over here. Yes, and Grow Food is also known as energy giving food. Very good. And what is this? Yes, this is Grow Food, bodybuilding food. And what are these all? Yummy fruits and vegetables. These are Glow Food. Yes, they are protective food. Okay children, let's see what else do we have in the supermarket. Or kya le hum? Okay, let's explore what else is there, okay? Come on, come with me. Okay, and everyone has to walk in line. Come on, follow Aneri ma'am. Let's go. So children, look at which counter we are. What can you see here? Such a big packet of Maggi. Shall I put it into the cart? No, because it is junk food. So we are not going to take Maggie, okay? Let's see what else do we have. Oh, there is Choco Pie over here. And these are chips, but they are oily, they are fried. So we cannot eat this in our daily meal. So I'm not going to buy this. Okay. What is this? Chocolates. There are so many chocolates. And I know they are yummy and tasty. But are they healthy? No. They are the part of sugar group. You remember we have learned this. This chocolate comes in the topmost part in the pyramid. And they are the sugar group. Okay. I know they are very yummy. But can we buy this? No. I don't want to take it. But instead of chocolate, what else can we buy which is yummy and nutritious too? Look what we have here. Wow, we have mixed fruits and nuts over here. So I'll take one packet of this and almonds. Yes, आपको अनेरी मैम ने बताया है ना कि ड्राई फ्रूट्स खाने हैं आपको. So we can buy pistachio, almond and mixed fruit nuts. Okay, so chocolates, dry fruit. So children, before we go home, let's thank the manager of the store for letting us in and shopping healthy food items. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So children, we are done with the billing, okay? And we have taken all the healthy items, okay? So now, it's time for us to go home. Hope you had fun shopping with me and enjoyed the field trip. Thank you.